Welcome back, class, to the first chapter of class 9th Geography, India, Size and Location. So, location wise, India is completely lies in the northern hemisphere. It extends from 8 degree 4' north to 37 degree 6' north, and the distance between these two are 3,214 kilometer, and longitude wise the distance between the India is 68 degree 7' east to 92 degree 25 east, which has the distance of 2,933 kilometer. Tropic of Cancer, we know Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degree to the equator. So this Tropic of Cancer divides India into two nearly half parts and passes through 8 Indian states. Names are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Tripura, Mizoram, and we have a point which is Indra Point. It is the southern point of India. India's size and boundaries. India has 2.4% of global geographical area and 3.28 million square kilometer of land. India is seventh largest country of the world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. The land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometer, and the coastal boundary including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep has 7,516.6 kilometer. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is approximately 30 minutes, and Indian Standard Time longitude is 82.3 degree east, which is passes through the Mirzapur, UP. India and world. India's landmass is located in the central part between East and West Asia. The strategic location of India is in the Indian Ocean that connects the countries of Europe in the west and Southeast Asia in the east. No other country have a long coastline in Indian Ocean as India has. India's eminent position in Indian Ocean justify the naming after India. The name of the ocean is Indian Ocean after naming India. The opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe is reduced by 7,000 km. India's contact with the world through land routes is much older than sea routes. Land routes much older than sea routes. It can be proved by the following. India's influence of world, the idea of Upanishads, Ramayana, stories of Panchtantra numerical decimal system, and the influence of Greek in India are architectural stupas of dome, and mineral from West Asia can be seen in different parts of country. In India we have now 29 states after Jammu and Kashmir. Removal of Jammu and Kashmir from the statelets and Jammu, and another one is Ladakh added to the union territories. We have union territories in western coast, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Lakshadweep, and eastern coast we have Puducherry and Andaman and Nicobar. We have India has many countries, neighbor countries. that sharing their borders with Indian states. So first neighboring country is Pakistan, which shared its border with Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Jammu Kashmir. China is sharing their border with Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Myanmar is shared by Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Bangladesh is shared with West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Nepal shared with Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, and Bhutan shared with West Bengal, Assam, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. So we have exercise of this chapter. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. We know Rajasthan's the Tropic of Cancer passes through Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and also through Tripura, but not from Odisha. Odisha lies below the Tropic of Cancer. Easternmost longitude of India is 97 degree 25 minute east. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim have common frontiers with Nepal. If you extend to visit Kavarati during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? So Kavarati is capital of the union territory of Lakshadweep. My friend hails from a country which does not share a land boundary with India. Simply Tajikistan. Name the group of islands lying in Arabian Ocean is Lakshadweep. Name the countries which are larger than India. So we have 6 countries. Which island group of India lies to southeast? In the southeast we have Andaman and Nicobar. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Lanka, Sri Lanka, and Mauritius. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in west, but watches show the same time. How does this happen? So because India has only one standard Indian Standard Time, which is 82 degree 30 east, which passes through the Mirzapur, UP. Central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Because India's landmass in central part between East and West Asia and strategic location to the India is in Indian Ocean, connects the countries of Europe in west and Southeast Asia in east. No other countries have long coastline in Indian Ocean as India has. So we have complete our first chapter of class 9 geography. We will back with the another chapters. Thank you class.